medyo conservative ang gains na pwede mong makuha sa sideways na trend, around 1 to 20%. Ang jackpot o win big opportunities sa stocks ay makukuha natin sa uptrend. These are the opportunities where you can make stellar gains. We would know this is an uptrend kapag tumaas na ang price sa resistance natin. When this happens, yung dati nating resistance ay panibagong support level na. Ang tawag natin dito ay breakout. When dealing with uptrends, gusto natin ito ma-maximize. Here we ask, hanggang saan aakyat ang presyo? It gets a bit technical from here and would take serious dedication to learning this craft. But don't worry, little Tony. This learning module is made available for free to those who register with 2Trade Asia. Unlock this episode and more by opening a 2Trade Asia account now. Click the link on the description box below. These concepts would be useless if you won't apply and experience them. You now know how to profit from trends. Level up! Sa susunod na episode, i-demonstrate natin kung paano i-apply lahat na natutunan mo gamit ang 2Trade Asia tools. Stay tuned!